Good morning. Good morning. Hi, monkey. Bella has a monkey on her wall. Guess what? It's your birthday. Yay! Can you say happy birthday? Can you say it, babe? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Can you say happy birthday? Can you say I'm two? Yeah, I'm two. Yeah, you do. Not you toot. I do. Say I'm two. You need the monkey?
A monkey.
Yeah, you need that monkey. Him's not going anywhere. Hi, monkey. That's from your first birthday last year.
Okay.
Yeah. You love him? You say I love you, monkey.
Okay.
Love you, monkey.
Bye, monkey.
Bell Bell. It's your birthday. He say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bella. Say I'm two. Oh my goodness. What? Monkey. Him's there. Yep, every morning we say, good morning, monkey, and we give him kisses, don't we? Hey, say I'm two. Oh, good.